Hi, my name is Stephanie Mardonis and I am a 31 Gifts consultant. Today I wanted to share with you our top 5 diaper bag or mommy bag options. As you can see, we have a nice variety of styles as well as prints and price points. So I'm going to start today with one of our top selling totes. This tote is one of our top selling totes because it doesn't just work as a mommy bag, it also works as a nice gym bag, work bag, travel bag. But let's talk real quick as a mommy bag. If you need something that's a little bit smaller, this is one of our canvas materials. If you want pockets that are on the outside for easy access to things like your phone, your water bottle, here's a water bottle, your keys. This is a nice option. On the inside, it's totally open. You can use it with the top flaps down for easy access while you're carrying. Just reach in and grab what you need. Or you can zip it closed with a zipper closure. The inside is totally open, making it easy to customize to what you want to put inside. So and it has 2 mesh pockets also on the outside. So 7 pockets total on the outside. You can personalize right here in the middle with your family name or baby's initial. And then this works as well as they get older. You can still use this when you go out or travel. So great option that will grow with them. All right, the second one I want to show you is actually one of our backpacks. So here we have the Adventures backpack in the Stepping Stones print. The Adventures backpack has nice padded shoulder straps that are adjustable. It has 2 outside elastic pockets, and I'll show you my big water bottle and how that fits in there. Very nice. Smaller bottle. This could be a water bottle or a baby bottle, would fit nicely in there too. You can also use the outside for your keys or your phone if you need easy access to that. This is a nice big pocket, and for size, I'll show you that a package of wipes will easily fit in that nice outside pocket. You know, you always need wipes when you're out and about. What I love about this backpack is you have the handles that give you a different option for carrying, and it has the wire around the top rim, so that when you open it, it stays open so you can see exactly what's inside. You'll notice that the inside has a lot of elastic pockets. There's 2 on the back, 1 on each side, and then what's really cool is here in the front there is a thermal pocket that will fit your baby's bottle or your water bottle or any snacks that you want to keep cool from the summer heat. Inside the thermal there is an elastic strap, and that strap holds the bottle upright, so in case the backpack gets knocked over, the bottle will stay in place in the bag. It will not come out. Alright, so that is our Adventures backpack. Very good. All items will be listed in the description below. Alright, I'm going to go next to a crossbody option that's also a shoulder bag, shoulder strap option. So I like being hands-free when I'm with my kids. So I love the crossbody option on this cargo casual bag. It is another one of our softer canvas material prints. You can personalize that front area. There is 2 magnetic snap pockets up here where you can put your keys or things you need easy access to. What's nice about this one is it has a cell phone pocket, so you're not digging inside the bag to find cell phone when you need it. Then on the inside, and you can carry this on your shoulders as well. So you need a different option than just crossbody. So on the inside again, we have that thermal pocket, and actually my 13-inch MacBook Pro will fit down in there a little tight. Oh, you can see I used this recently. So that's the thermal pocket, and then the 2 sides have elastic pockets that will fit your water bottle or baby's bottle down in there. It's lined with a nice vinyl, so it does have a vinyl lining, And so that's our cargo casual bag, or cargo casual. There you go. The next option is a little bit more formal. This actually works really well as a work bag as well. So if you're looking for something that doesn't scream, this is my diaper bag, this is a really fun option. And if you're a working mom or going back to work, this would also work for that. And this also works as a nice carry-on size that will fit under the seat in front of you. So this is our Cindy tote. It's got 2 tall pockets on the sides. It also has that, this print is 2-tone weave, so it's got a nice texture to it. But this also has that option to carry the top flat for easy access or zip it closed to keep everything in. Then the back here inside has 3 flat pockets. The middle one's a little shorter. And then 1 larger zipper pocket to keep everything organized. So this is our Cindy tote with the faux leather accent handles and trim around the edges. All right, my favorite one so far is this City Park bag. The City Park bag is our top of the line mommy bag. It's the ultimate ultra organized bag. It has all the pockets you'll need, and it's a nice type of luxury vinyl material, and you'll see that it has all the pockets. So the front has 2 really big pockets, and for size, I'll show you the water bottle down in here again. You can personalize with a line of text or a monogram up here. Nice big hardware for accent pieces. You can wear this crossbody. You need to be hands-free. And you can wear this on your shoulder if that's easier to grab and go. This is the perfect travel bag as well. So even when you're not in that mommy phase anymore, let's say you're taking a trip on the plane, you can stick this under the front seat and be super organized as you go. Another 2 tall pockets on either side. And then the back has a snap pocket that's really big. So if you have some bigger, like a changing pad or extra clothes that need to go down in there, that's where you'd stick that. And then this is the cell phone pocket. The bottom you'll see has our faux leather material to keep it easy to clean. And our handles also have that same faux leather material to make it, this is our classy mommy bag. All right, inside we have all the pockets. You can see all the way around the bag there are elastic pockets. There are 2 in the front, 2 in the back, 1 on each side. They will easily fit your water bottle or your baby bottles, your wallet, your cell phone if you want to stick it inside, and some of the accessories I'll show here in just a second. We also have the signature thermal pocket to keep snacks and other things nice and separated and cool. It's easy to wipe down as well. So this is probably my favorite big diaper bag. I love this one for adventures at the zoo or the museum. This one works well for disguising that it's a diaper bag. It's a more professional looking bag. Great for if you are the mommy that works away from home and comes back. You can easily switch those out. And then this for the more casual look. It's a little bit smaller if you don't need that much room day to day. All right, now I'm going to show you some accessories and how to stay organized inside of whichever bag you choose to use. Okay, so I'm going to start with my number 1 top must-have accessory in your diaper bag, and that is our zipper pouch. No matter what age your child is, this is something that you will need to carry around with you instead of the Ziplocs that I used to use. My kids are now 5 and 6, almost 6 and 7-year-old twins, and they still have zipper pouches that we use when we're on the go. And if your child is in diapers, this is a great option to keep the diapers and extra clothes separate. So I'm going to show you how much actually fits in this one that's already loaded. Inside, I have 3 size 6 diapers. I have a change of clothes that is shorts, underwear, and shirt. And then I have a cinch sack. So the cinch sack actually works well if you're having the diapers with you and there is a chance of a blowout or a super messy outfit. This is a great option. You see how it folded up flat and fit inside? And then inside I keep some extra grocery bags because extra layers for that blowout is a must, right? So keep that dirty clothes in here, stick it in here to separate it from everything else, and then you just tuck it away and you can throw it in your car and it's separate. It's not going to stink up the whole place. And there is an extra zipper in the front of our cinch set to separate another set, or if you want to keep wipes separately in the cinch set. All right, so clothes and diapers fit perfectly in here in the zipper pouch. Now, if you're going for a couple of days or a whole day and you need an extra set of clothes or a couple more diapers, they will easily fit in here. Now, if you're a mom of twins, multiples, or toddler baby, my suggestion is to have one each. That's what I did with my kids. This is my son's. I can't tell you how many years this is. 4 years old, possibly. It's gone in the wash, delicate cycle, air dry several times because it does get dirty. What I love about these is there is a laminate interior, so that's easy to wipe if it does get dirty with whatever you put on the inside. So separate one for each child is my suggestion. That way everything stays separate. You're not digging for the right clothes and checking tags, and things stay more organized with that. Okay, my next accessory is your mommy bag. You need your mommy things separate so you're not digging in all the pockets. Which pocket did I put it in? So this is my Ruby Mini, and it's the faux leather. I added the wristlet because sometimes when I'm by myself, I just need to go to the store, I grab my Ruby Mini, and this is my clutch. Or it makes a cute date night clutch too, where you don't need the whole big purse to go with you. Inside, I just keep sanitizer, chapstick, hand lotion, you know, all the things you might need to take care of yourself on the go. So that's the Ruby Mini with the wristlet strap. All right, my next one, you need a little mini emergency kit, right? The mommy survival kit with all the little things you might need when you're out and about. So this is our mini zipper pouch. We have lots of fun prints that you can choose from. Inside I have Band-Aids, diaper cream, insect spray, chapstick, floss, cough drops, kids Tylenol. My son has allergies, so we have extra allergy medicine in here. All the little things you might need when you're on the go. So that, and I'll show you in a second how I can fit it all into whichever bag I choose to use. Of course, our bag of wipes, right? You can actually stick your bag of wipes in with your zipper bag, your zipper pouches, in our Super Swap It pocket. The idea of the Super Swap It is that it makes it easy to go from one bag to another. But I also love this idea because you can then, if you need to change a diaper and you don't need to take the whole diaper bag out of the stroller, or you have very limited space on the changing table, this becomes your mobile changing station. So I keep my wipes in here, and then you can easily fit 1 or 2 zipper pouches down in the middle. And as you can see, it actually has extra zippers, and these are the size of a zipper pouch. So you can also use this for extra plastic bags, extra clothes if you need to. And then there's elastic pockets down on the inside. You can put your hand sanitizer in there, a toy to keep the baby distracted, maybe some hand wipes and cream. All right, so this is the Super Swap It, and now I've stuck inside the wipes and the zipper pouch to make a really quick mobile changing station. And this will fit in most of all of our diaper bag options. Now, if you're more of a minimalist, you're not going to carry all those things all the time, or maybe your kids are not into diapers anymore, we have the smaller Swap It pocket option. It has the snap in the middle for easier access and makes a nice handle. This will actually fit our mini zipper pouch, our wallets that we sell for mommies, the Ruby Mini. And then if you want to stick your wipes in here instead, you can stick the wipes in here. You can also use this as a smaller mini changing station and put the diapers down in the side pockets. Diapers will fit in here, wipes in the middle, mini emergency kit and sanitizer. So we have the smaller option if you need or you carry less stuff with you regularly. All right, let's talk about snacks and toys, because I don't know about you, but I like to keep them a little separate so they stay clean and easy to find, right? So even if you're using the thermal, you might still need a couple of smaller bags to separate the snacks and pacifiers. So here we have some snacks for the kids, the pacifiers down in there. This is our Get Creative rectangle pouch. It's clear on one side so you can see what's in there. Solid color on the other side. So this is a small option for snacks and pacifier. If you need something a little bit bigger or you want the handle so your child can help you carry it, this one's actually our makeup bag. It's the Glamour case, but it fits perfectly with baby food, snacks, and it will also fit diapers and wipes if you want a separate or different style to carry your changing station in. I hope that was helpful. You'll see down below, if you are new to 31 or are looking for a consultant, I have a link for shopping, a link to follow me on Instagram, and a link to join my customer group on Facebook. Send me your comments. What else do you use to organize yourself on the go? I look forward to hearing from you and sharing more videos. Bye.